Hi friends, in this video let us see about something about farm tractors, which are again a second type of special purpose vehicles. Today we will see about that along with some good pictures about them to give a very good idea about how the farm tractors are classified and how they look like and where they are used and what is their capacity, etc. Okay boys. So actually if you see these farm tractors, they have wheels or tracks and operates agriculture implements, machineries including traction. Okay, so that is what uh, trailers. Okay, including trailers. So these all about your has wheels. Okay, about the farm tractors, and they act as a prime mover for active tools and farm machining through power take of PTO shaft, which is a very important part of your farm tractors or belt pulley. So now let us go for the classification, right? So if you go for the classification, there are various types of tractors are there, farm tractors are there. Number one is the wheel tractor. So let us see how wheel tractor will look like. So it will have 3 or 4 wheels, okay, of pneumatic type. So let us see how this look like. So this is your wheel tractor. This is your wheel tractor. So it is having 4 wheels. This is a wheel tractor. This is example for wheel tractor. Okay. So now let us go to the next one. So the second one is crawlers tractor. So this is also called is a chain type. Basically it is of chain type and it has endless chain or tracks for wheels. So let us see how it will look like crawler tractor. Okay, so let us see that this is your crawler tractor. This is your crawler tractor. So you can easily find the description which was mentioned in the okay that theory part. Okay, so this is your crawler tractor, right? So let us go to the third one. This is your just now it was told that a crawler tractor has its chain type has endless chain. That just now we have seen a chain, a track for wheels also, right? So this is how your crawler tractor will look like. Next comes your walking tractor. This is a it's also called power tiller. It's a very good question, right, boys? This is a very important question. I have discussed in objective types of questions also, right? Your MCQs also. This power tiller, the other name for walking tractor is also called power tiller. It has 2 wheels only and operates the operator walks behind the tractor and controls it. So let us see how it looks like. Okay, crawler tractor. So this is your crawler tractor. You can easily see that the operator can hold the handles and he can walk along with the tractor, right? So it will be used from some other small works, etc., right? So let us not bother about them. So now this is how your crawler tractor will look like. Next walking tractor will look like. Okay, it's also called power trailer. Next so now another classification of your tractors is that they are general purpose tractors and some other types of tractors also there. You will go by one. This is your general purpose tractor. So this is used for major farm operations like so what are the operations your general purpose tractor is used? It is used for ploughing, harrowing, sowing, harvesting and also transporting also. These are the areas in which you can find the applications of your general purpose tractor. So what are they? Let me once again remind you. So this is your ploughing, harrowing, sowing. These are all related to your agriculture activities, yes or no? That's yes, this is these are all the agricultural options you must be knowing well. So ploughing, harrowing, sowing, harvesting and transporting, etc. So this is useful basically for those purposes, right? Now comes your row crop tractor. So let us see how this is your used for. This basically used for a row crop tractor is used for crop cultivation and is provided with replaceable driving wheels. So let us see how this row crop tractor will look like. This is your row crop tractor. Okay, right? So you can see that so some agriculture implements are there behind the tractor. So they will be used for some agriculture activities also. This is used for crop cultivation. Basically it is used for crop cultivation and is provided with replaceable driving wheels. Okay, so these driving wheels can be replaced. That is the main another okay, another specialty of this particular tractor, row crop tractor. Then comes your special purpose tractor. So let us see the special purpose tractor. So what is that? Let us see. The special purpose tractor, it is used for definite jobs. So this is usually specifically used for some definite jobs like cotton fields, then marshy lands, then hillsides and gardens, etc., right? So these are the this is the basic classification of your tractors. Now one is the basic classification like on types of like your type of wheels, etc. Then we have seen wheel tractor, crawler tractor, walking tractor, etc. and how it was used, etc. you used, and also we have used the purpose for which they are used. So based on that, it is classified as general purpose tractor, row crop tractor, and also special purpose tractor. So let us see the special purpose tractor. We have discussed that it is used for cotton fields, marshy land, and hillsides and garden, right? So let us see the special purpose tractor once again. So here this time. So this is your special purpose tractor, right? So it has got some special elements like this. It may be used for some cotton fields, marshy lands, hillsides, and gardening, etc. Right? So now based on the available HP also, your tractors are classified. Let us see how they are classified based upon the HP. So HP of the machine or HP of your tractor, right? So this is your on the base of available HP. So the small tractor will be having an HP from 15 to 25 HP, and medium sized tractors they will have HP from 25 to 45 HP, and large tractors will be having a HP of more than 45 HP. Okay, boys. So today we have what we have seen. Tomorrow we are going to see the parts of all these tractors, farm tractors, and how they are used, why they are used, what are the different parts, and also we will be having more idea about, in fact, about these farm tractors. Okay, like parts and what are the different types of parts it is having, and what is the each purpose, what is the purpose of each part, and what is its construction, mechanical details, etc. We are going to see it tomorrow. Okay, guys. So once again, let me show you all these diagrams. This is your walking tractor, and this is your what you call what was this? This was your row crop tractor. Yes or no? Row crop tractor, right? Crawler tractor, right? This is I was telling you, right? It is in the in the wheel tractor you are having 3 wheels or 4 wheels. I have shown you the 4-wheel tractor. This is a 4-wheel tractor. This is your 3-wheel tractor. Only 3 wheels will be there present in this particular this thing, right? I think it's a make is the general. Maybe it's a company name, right? So this is how your 3 wheels tractor will look like. Okay, this is your next one is 4-wheel tractor. This is your special purpose tractor. This is your what is this? This general purpose tractor. Okay, like this, right? This is your row crop tractor. So we have seen all these things in this video, and tomorrow we are going to have some more information about the parts of the farm tractors and other mechanical details, etc. Okay, right? Okay, boys. So if you like my channel, please like, comment, share, and share among your groups and contacts. Once again, wish you all the best and good luck. If anybody is interested, please put a mail for the coaching of TSPSC or APPSC, AMVI. Put a mail to at the rate of sridhar.bpalli@gmail.com. It is sridhar.bpalli@gmail.com. Okay. So once again, wish you all the best.